If you are selling an online course, getting the payment is only the first step. After that, you will still need to know who actually completed the payment, which course they purchased, and maintain a proper record of every paid student. Doing this manually after every new payment can quickly become a time consuming. But what if this entire process could happen automatically? Now look at what's happening on your screen. This student has just successfully purchased my digital marketing course through Razorpay. And now let me open my Google Sheet. Look at this. The student complete record has automatically been added as a new row. Their name, course name, phone number, and all other required information are already available in their respective column. And I want you to know that this sheet is specifically being maintained for students who have successfully completed their payment. So whether you are selling online courses, coaching programs, workshops, or paid training, you can automatically maintain an organized records of your paid students without manually transferring their details after every payment. This is not just a magic, this is the power of automation. And the tool behind this complete automation is Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation platform that helps you to connect different applications and automate repetitive tasks without writing a single line of code. Here I have connected Razorpay with Google Sheets, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this complete automation for yourself. But before we move ahead, I want you to know that you can also try this amazing workflow along with me in this tutorial by using Pabbly Connect free trial. And after trying it, if you find the tool useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start the creation of this workflow. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Connect, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you need to click on this plus create workflow button. So there are three ways to create a workflow by using Pabbly Connect. The one is create from scratch, second one is create using AI, and the third one is create using quick builder. All of these are best, but in this tutorial I'm going to create a workflow by myself step by step. So I'm selecting that option. After that, it will ask me to enter the name of the workflow that I'll enter as automatically add paid students to Google Sheets after Razorpay payment. After that, the folder I'm selecting as Pabbly Connect and clicking on this create button, and see, our workflow is created successfully. Now this right here is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happen. This is the first application you need to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, my objective is that whenever I received a new payment through Razorpay, then automatically this automation gets triggered. So for that, I'm going to select my trigger application as Razorpay. After selecting the application, the app event I'm selecting as payment captured and clicking on this connect button. See, it will provide me one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below that how you can connect your Razorpay account with Pabbly Connect. At first, I'm copying this webhook URL from here, and now I'm going to take you to my Razorpay account. See, this is my Razorpay account, and for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Razorpay, you need to click on this developers option. After that, click on this webhooks option, and next click on this plus add new webhook. Here in this field, you need to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from your workflow. After pasting the webhook URL, you can enter the email here if you want to. The secret key is also an optional, I am not adding. And lastly, I am selecting the event as payment captured. Here I have successfully selected. Next, I'll click on this create webhook button, and see, our webhook is created successfully, and here it is waiting for a webhook response as well. So for getting this webhook response, again I'm going to make a payment through my Razorpay. For that, I'll click on this payment pages option, and I have already created this digital marketing course payment page before. So I'm copying its link from here and opening it in a new tab. Now I'm going to make a test payment, and this time I'll enter my full name as a smart user, email address, phone phone number and the course as digital marketing course. Next, I'll click on this pay button. After that, here I am doing one test payment. This will take a few seconds and see my payment is successfully completed and I have received the receipt too. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. See, automatically I received a new response with all the test details that I have entered while doing the payment. This confirms that the connection between Razorpay and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of our trigger application is completed. Moving forward, I'm going to select my next application as number formatter. Here I'm using this number formatter because Razorpay does not include the decimal in the amount. In few seconds, you will understand this more clearly. After selecting the application, the app event I'm selecting as perform math operation, I'm clicking on this connect button. Now in this numbers field, I'm going to do the mapping of the amount that I have received from the previous application, that is this Razorpay. To do the mapping, you need to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this field, I'm going to do the mapping of amount. Here I have mapped. As you can see that we have made the payment of 599, but here it is showing as 59,900. So that's why I am using this number formatter to get the actual value of the course. Now I want to divide this amount by 100. So for that I am entering the comma and 100 here. Moving forward, the operation I am selecting is divide and clicking on the save and send test request button, and you will see I have successfully received the actual amount of the course that I have purchased, that is 599. So this is how the number formatter work. Moving forward, I'm going to select my next action application as filter by Pabbly. As I already said, I have created this integration for those students only who have successfully purchased my digital marketing course. So for capturing only those enrolled students, I am using this filter by Pabbly. As we have created a connection between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect, by the help of which whenever the payment has been successfully completed of any of these pages, then automatically all the data is going to be sent to Pabbly Connect. Now for selectively choosing only some data, you can use this filter. The app event I am selecting as filter values and clicking on this connect button. Here in this choose labels field, I am going to map the course name, that is digital marketing course. After the filter type, I am selecting as equal to, and in this value box I am going to enter the same name of the course, that is digital marketing course. Here I have added. Next I'll click on the save and send test request button, and see it says that status as success and condition is true. Now every time when this condition is true, then only the next action step will be performed. So that's how this filter works. Moving forward, and finally I'm going to select my last action application as Google Sheets. After that, the app event I am selecting as add new row and clicking on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. I'm going to add a new connection, so I'm selecting this one and clicking on the sign in with Google. After that, I'm selecting my account from here and providing the permission to Pabbly Connect, and this is how easily you can connect your Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. Moving forward, here in this field you need to select the spreadsheet that I am selecting as Razorpay payments. I have already created this sheet before inside my Google Sheets account. See, this is the same sheet, Razorpay payments. Moving forward, as soon as I have selected the spreadsheet here, all the columns that are present inside this sheet automatically comes here in the form of fields such as full name, course name, phone number, email, amount and payment ID. Exactly same that I have entered here. Now in each of these fields, I'm going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Razorpay. As I already said, to do the mapping, you need to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. Here I have mapped the full name. Now what is mapping? See, mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As as different students have different data. So for capturing each student's data dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time when a new payment is captured, this data will change based on the new input. Now in this amount field, I'm going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from this number formatter, means the actual price of the course, that is 599. Moving forward in this payment ID field, I'm going to do the mapping of payment ID, and lastly the payment method. See, I have mapped only some data here, but you can map more based on your own requirements. Here my objective is only to teach you how you can create an automation by using Pabbly Connect. The steps are almost similar, you need to understand the logic only. After doing the mapping in each of these fields, I will click on the save and send test request button, and you will see I have received the positive response. Now let's check our Google Sheet to see whether a new row is added or not. See, automatically a new test row is added inside our Google Sheet by the same data that I have mapped in each of these fields. This confirms that the connection between Google Sheets and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly, and the setup of our action application is also completed. And I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. As a new row is successfully created inside our sheet, this means that our workflow is working perfectly and it is fully completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Trust me, this is the easiest way to automatically add paid students to Google Sheets after Razorpay payments. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own educational institutes as well. Trust me, it is worth it. So go and try it. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.